First Warning Weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
This weekend was hot and humid, and tonight we are only cooling down to the mid-70s. You'll see some lightning and rain. I think most, if not all, stay dry. I'm keeping though a 10% rain chance for our eastern counties. Winds light out of the southeast. For your Monday, mostly dry, clouds to sun. Highs in those 90s, winds out of the south-southeast, and a 20% rain chance again for our eastern counties. And right now, I mean, pretty much nothing. South of I-10, a few rounds of showers may try to work into parts of Caldwell, Bastrop, and Fayette. Clouds and radar as you move through the remainder of the day today. We'll see more of a clearing trend out west, and that cloud cover moves further east. So here's 10 p.m., a little 10% rain chance. Kickstarting your Monday, mostly cloudy, with some breaks and daytime heating, which will allow for another thunderstorm or slow-moving downpour to pop, especially with some sort of outflow boundary. Sea breeze front could fire up a few of these. I think this clouds and radar model is slightly overdoing that coverage and intensity, and not expecting severe weather, but some lightning and strong winds certainly can't be ruled out. Here's 4 o'clock, still showing a mix of clouds and sun, and then drying out through the evening and overnight hours. Rest of the day today, level 1 out of 4 flood risk, and there is not a flood risk for your Monday, although still some localized street flooding is possible. Rainfall through the next 24 hours, less than 1/4 of an inch. If you get lucky and get a few of those slow-moving thunderstorms, then easily an inch of rain can't be ruled out, although most will be below that. This rain chance winds down. It's still isolated, but 10% Tuesday through Friday. That's because of a pattern change on the way. The upper level low, that's been the proper trigger for these storms to fire up, these sea breeze showers, outflow boundary thunderstorms. That's going to clear up to the north. We'll have a high pressure ridge in place through the middle half of the week, meaning blue H is blue sky, a lot more sunshine and warmth, still keeping the humidity, but we'll have to watch for some tropical moisture and energy out toward the Baja California Peninsula. That could create more lift next Saturday and Sunday for additional thunderstorms. That's why that rain chance goes back up to 20%. Temperature-wise, with the ridge, I got 95. It's sort of boring, but every single day from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, when you look at this, is it oppressive heat? Sure. Is it record-breaking? Absolutely not. Our normal high is 92, so fairly right on the money for where we should be this time of year. Kickstarting your Monday, dropping off the kiddos to a summer camp, something like that. We got those 70s. You'll feel the moisture and humidity. By the afternoon, 80s and 90s. Winds light out of the south, 92. So right exactly where we should be again. This is a normal stretch of weather. Here's your KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Less clouds as you move through Wednesday, Thursday. And then we'll have to watch for more rain chances Saturday and Sunday.